How to fix Sims 4 lagging on Windows PC. 1. Check the minimum requirements for The Sims 4. Upgrade your hardware if needed. 2. Close other background applications. 3. Update your graphics driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 4. Verify the integrity of game files. 4.1. On Steam, 4.2 on Origin, 5. Lower the in-game graphics settings. Display type, windowed. Graphics quality, low or medium. 6. Launch The Sims 4 32-bit. 6.1 Steam, add Force 32 into the launch options. 6.2. Origin, go to Advanced Launch Options. 7. Reset the Sims 4 folder. The Sims 4 folder is where the game stores your save files, custom content, screenshots, and other data. Sometimes, you may need to reset the Sims 4 folder to fix some issues or errors with the game. Resetting the Sims 4 folder will delete all your saved games, custom content, and settings, and create a new folder with default settings. However, you can back up your data before resetting the folder and restore it later if you want. Here are some steps to reset the Sims 4 folder on Windows. Back up your Sims 4 folder. If you want to keep your saved games, custom content, or other data, you should back up your Sims 4 folder before resetting it. To do this, follow these steps. Go to My Documents on your PC. Open the Electronic Arts folder. Find the Sims 4 folder and right-click on it and choose Copy. Go to your desktop or another location where you want to save the backup. Right-click on a free space and choose Paste. Rename the copied folder to something you'll remember, like Sims 4 Backup. Reset your Sims 4 folder. To reset your Sims 4 folder, you need to delete the original folder from your PC and let the game create a new one. To do this, follow these steps. Go to My Documents on your PC. Open the Electronic Arts folder. Find the Sims 4 folder. And click on it and press delete. Confirm you want to delete the folder and empty your recycle bin or trash. Restart your computer and start the game. A new Sims 4 folder will be generated. Restore your backup. If you want to restore some or all of your backed up data, you can copy them from the backup folder to the new Sims 4 folder. To do this, follow these steps. Go to your desktop or another location where you saved the backup. Open the Sims 4 backup folder and select the files or folders that you want to restore. Right-click on the selected files or folders and choose Copy. Go to My Documents on your PC. Open the Electronic Arts folder. Open the Sims 4 folder and right-click on a free space and choose Paste. Overwrite any existing files or folders if prompted. Learn more, The Sims 4, backing up and resetting The Sims 4, EA Help. https://help.ea.com/n/help/the-sims/the-sims-4/backing-up-and-resetting-the-sims-4.